You can use Rapid Brightening Serum whenever your skin needs a boost of brightness and radiance, and anytime your skin needs to be refreshed. To use Rapid Brightening Serum, start by taking 1 to 2 pumps. You can be generous. I like to distribute it on my chin, my cheeks, nose, and then up to my forehead and temples. Then massage it in using soft, upward strokes. Remember to always be gentle with your skin. You're going to feel an immediate burst of hydration and energy, and you'll feel your skin come back to life. You should use Rapid Brightening Serum every morning and every night. You can use it whenever your skin needs a boost of brightness and radiance, and anytime your skin needs to be refreshed. I know a lot of my busy clients keep their Rapid Brightening Serum with them, so they can use it after they go to the gym or after work. You can use it anytime your skin needs a quick pick-me-up or it needs a little extra glow. And you can use Rapid Brightening Serum under makeup. In fact, it's a fantastic makeup primer. Check out all of our products at anjalimd.com and be sure to follow me on Instagram. I post there almost daily.